sensibility and practicality define the 2012 Cadillac CTS. This four-door, five-passenger sedan has not yet reached the 50,000-mile mark. It features an automatic transmission, all-wheel drive, and a refined six-cylinder engine. Top features include leather upholstery, power front seats, heated and ventilated seats, and a split folding rear seat. Everything is where it ought to be, from the dashboard controls to the door locks and window controls. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, a 40-gigabyte hard drive, and 10 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including front and side impact airbags, brake assist, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing a comprehensive certification process. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.